Hi, I'm Janae Park-Martinez, and I'm an instructor in the Division of Science, and I'm going to talk to you about composting on campus. Why would we want to compost? And the reason we want to compost is because if we're not composting, then all of our food scraps, orange peels and coffee grounds and all the little things that we don't eat, they would just go into the garbage and then they would go into a landfill. But if we compost them instead, then all those nutrients get to go back and into the soil and to help the campus stay green and to keep useful things out of a landfill. So we're not making landfills bigger, and we are helping our campus at the same time. What actually happens to your food when you compost? So compost is just the process of decay. So you take your food and the scraps that you don't eat, and you usually mix those scraps, which are considered sort of the greens, the things that are high in nitrogen, with some brown material, which is dried things like dried leaves or dried grass. And you mix those things together and it just decays. So there are naturally present microbes in the environment, and if you put the compost there, they will come and they just break it down and decay it, and over time it turns into soil. And you can use that soil for all the beautiful landscaping around campus. Even though we are starting with a very small composting effort, so we're composting coffee grounds at Tully's and Cyber Cafe, and we have office composting going on, we are hoping eventually, once we're successful on the small scale, to grow this into a much bigger endeavor where we also compost food from catering and from cafeteria. So that's our goal.